Okay. Um, I was when I'm talking. I'm actually surprised. Okay, so this I'm gonna take all this stuff out, put them in some slider bags, and then put the slider bags in here. I will be adding bandanas to it. Yeah, I will be adding a little knife or whatever. Yeah, actually I don't have to because I carry like 2 knives with me anyway. Um, so yeah. Um, so yeah. Yeah. Let me head off. So yeah. Hopefully, if it's the first anyway. um, get the slider bag out. Oh, that should be perfect. That should be perfect. That should be perfect. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it has 4C's candling. I'll be adding better stuff, don't worry. What I should actually do? What I should actually do? Well, you will not fall. Oh my god. No, I should actually. Yeah, I should actually do that. Look right here, stuff like that. The whistle. The first aid kit. Small first aid kit, but guess what? It's a first aid kit that you're gonna be needing. It's pretty much for urban survival anyway. Blanket. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, I have to get this out, and then what else gotta get out before I even get that? We get the poncho out. It is Ready America branded, I believe. No, it's not. It's yeah, it is. It's waterproof and all that. Uh, cover, right? Container cover, combustion, something else. Weird. Yeah. Oh god, this is this. Oh god, this is definitely a. Oh my god, how they get in here? Jesus, this is. Okay, what flavor? Please don't. It has no flavor to it. What? It should say what flavor it is. I swear to God. Oh, it's no cholesterol. This is definitely going to be apple cinnamon. It's best by October 29. Okay. It was packed October 24. Cool. But yeah, God. I'm gonna keep this only because if I have, if I need a photo. Oh my God, would you get out? How'd they get all this crap in here? Seriously. It's a cheaper one. Yeah, it's light and lead's heavy. But yeah. So yeah, that's what it is. Unless carabiner is a part of the seas. I don't know. I don't know. I would feel better if this was in here. Honestly. First we're gonna do bandanas. Well, I need 2 bandanas. One for if I have to do medical on myself. One C. I should put my. You know what I should do though? Does it make sense since I carry a big freaking one anyway? Let's put that in here. Also, then we put the hokey pokey in here. And we turn myself about. Yeah. I'm trying to get to where I can actually just get all this in one little corner, pretty much. I already know what they do, you know. I'm not gonna be. You know what? No, I'm not gonna be able to carry this, but that's okay. I'm not carry. Well, um. Oh, this is not definitely what. Watch you go now, though. Is why not? It's not gonna fit in here. It's not, but it's okay. Um, you know what? No, let's just put all this crap back in here. But add container for like water bags and all that. This is not gonna. This is not gonna work. This is too. I knew it wasn't gonna work, but you know what? That's okay. That's the more. Oh wait, I have pockets. Why do I have that? Not have that now. Let's see. I'm gonna see what flavor this is. And it says, all it says is Mayday. It's 400 calories. What flavor is it? You should tell me what flavor you are. Mm. It's one of these like little. I mean, I've had Mayday before with apple cinnamon. It was pretty decent. Should have known better. Why? Dun, 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 dun. Where you want Why? I can actually just add this stuff in here. It's okay. Um, yeah. Wow, wow. The reason I'm keeping this in here is just in case. Yeah. Solo distillation, etc. Honestly. Should I know better? Wait, let me get the food bowl out because that goes obviously well off. This. Okay. Sorry for like just being a long video. But, I gotta. How do you get this crap? It's stupid. I mean, I'm glad I got this. So, yeah. So I think I can't have caffeine anymore because. It sucks though. So yeah, this in here. This should go in here. This should go in here. Perfectly, as we'll call it in the trade. I mean, we don't call it in the trade. Oh yeah, I could. Yeah, I could use this for water easily. This little bag. So yeah, I'm gonna just wash it out with hot water, whatever. So, yeah. Wow. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. It's actually working. Wow, I can actually put this crap in here. That is surprising. Surprising. Yeah. I know a black person who says that. I'm like, why would you say that? Like, Wisiel, the glow stick, which is actually a pretty decent glow stick, actually. What it is. Wow. Putting the knife in here since we can put it in there. In case y'all wonder what these matches look like. Oh, thank God I did it for the right. This is what they look like. Red. Waterproof. Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that to me? God. The only thing I hate about this box is it doesn't do jack crap away. Now where is the water purification tablet? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna see what these are actually for. I what? I can't see that, but yeah, I put a knife in there because why not? um, yeah. I'm gonna squish the living Jesus out of these to fit them in there. Tell you, honey. Da na 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 na. Wow. Let it bow. Wow. Come on, let it know. Rock it. Wow. I can carry a few stuff in my pocket anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. But I do want to put a few bags in here. Because I can put a few bags in here just for water containment. You know. Have you? I should. Someone tell me to put a few bags in here if I can. At least three. I usually do three for water for 3 days. Yeah. If I took a few things out, I'll be able to do a 10C kit easily. But yeah. Something tell me to get a few of these bags. Something just tell me to get a few of these bags. Something's just telling me to get a few of these bags. Something's just telling me to do that. You know? I could fit these in here. I could put these in here. Easily if I can. Actually no, let's just do this. Let's do this. So here. You 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 let's prison wall this. Let's see if we can do it. Pretty sure I can do it. If I move this thing right here, I'll probably be able to do this. Yeah. Wow, I did. I prison walled it. You know, just a few little things just to make it worth it. You know. Um, you know what I could do? You know what I could do since I can actually, if I'm ever in an urban environment, I could take one of these out. Actually, I know what I can do for this too. Let's do it. This is it. That's easy. Yeah. I'm all really no okay, wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And wow, wow, wow. Come on. Feel it. Look at it. Yeah, this is not. Yeah, this is not going to go in here. That's good. Oh. Has. Duh. Look at him. I will be carrying this when I go to my appointment on Wednesday as a test to see, you know, what's in here. I can add more stuff in here. Let's have a look at me here. Okay, yeah. Let's get this in here. Yeah. I mean, might as well add a little knife because you don't know when you're gonna need a knife or something, you know. So yeah, then I can put this in here easily in here actually. I believe. I believe. Yeah. Yeah. Then put a few things in here to make it a Tennessee cat. Yeah. Anywho. Um. Yeah. I want to put at least one thing or two in this as a kit just to make it better. At least a couple more C's. Okay, so combustion, container, cover, candling, cutting, and cotton bandana. So I got about 6 C's. I can easily put a couple more C's in there. It's nothing to me, so. Oh, container also again. So yeah. Anyway, hope you all like it. Also, yeah, if y'all have not got this by now, it's right as of right now, this is still on sale for $20-something. Get him. I've always actually wanted that, but it was too expensive. Anyway, God bless. Have a good rest of your day. Boop. News.